and welcome to my channel. I hope that you are having a fabulous day. My crafty BFF, Robyn Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and I are hosting our Falloween Spooktacular 2024 series. We will have a video every Wednesday and Saturday in the month of October, so make sure you are subscribed to each of our channels. I will have a list of all of the giveaway rules in the description box below. And also, if you missed this past Wednesday's video, make sure to go watch it to see how to be entered into my giveaway for this coming Wednesday. And what I have created today are a couple of bridge cards, and I used the Mente Papers Halloween book, and I absolutely love this. Such fun, spooky little characters are in this, as well as some beautiful paper. Use the paper for my backgrounds from that, and then I have cut out some of the elements from it as well. I did use my Cricut to cut out the trees, the fence, the moon, and the house. And before I forget, I wanted to share I used 3 different inks on the fence and 2 on the moon. So the first one is Spiced Marmalade and Vintage Photo and Black Soot. Love the way the fence and the moon came out. So we will just take a closer look at this one. And I will also share this if you are a Cricut user. I'll share the file in Design Space, and then you would be able to cut everything out for your card. But I just welded some pieces of a fence in Design Space together to make the bridge part of the card. But if you didn't have a Cricut, you could just cut a rectangle shape that I do believe is 1 1/4 by 7 inches to make the piece go across your bridge for you to add your pieces on the front. And I do have a tutorial on my channel for a bridge card. I'll link it in the description box. But I love cutting the ghost out of vellum. I just, makes them look really spooky. As I said, I've cut the bats and all of the elements other than what I cut apart from the Mente Halloween book. I just thought these little black cats were so beautiful. And then here we have some of the spiders. And on the back is my sentiment area. And these are the cards I'll be giving to my grandchildren this year. Here is the other ones. We've got the bats, and we have this really pretty spooky paper with candles and pumpkins, and on this side you can see, I think you can see the skull there. And we have our little, I'm going to say a ghost boy, and our skeleton with the pumpkins, and we have our ghost. And I did put a vellum spider hanging down there. But I thought these were just so cute. Sure to leave a comment and let me know which card is your favorite. I hope everyone has a spooktacular day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.